Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the questions on the square and the square root. So the question number one, find the square root of pi is to 4 over a 9. Now to find this type of a question, what we have to do is, this is the mixed type of a fraction. So mixed fraction could be converted into the simpler form there. Let's do that first. That is going to be now the 5 times 4, 45 plus 4, there are 49 over a 9. So the 49 and the 9 are the perfect squares, so we can convert it into the square root itself. So 49 square root will be the 7 and the 9 square root will be the 3 there. So we have an answer that is 7 over 3. Next. Question number 2. Find the square root of 15,625. To find this type of a question, we are taking a divisible method. When we have this type of a question and we are taking a divisible technique to find the answer, let's pair it together. We would have the pair of the two numbers and if there is a 1, so that will be a lone number. Now 1 could be divisible by the 1 itself, so that's the reason we are taking a 1 on the top, 1 at the bottom. 1 minus 1, we would have the 0, and the 1 plus 1 on the left hand side, we have to plus together. So there will be the 2. Now when we drag it together, the two numbers down, there will be the 56. Now to divide this 56, we have to take this number in front of the 2 to find the exact number or the smaller number than it. Now about, if we take about the less than a number we want to have it, so 2 times 3 times 3, if we take it, so 3 times 3 will be the 9 and the 2 times 3 will be the 6, yeah, which is absolutely the greater than 56. Let's assume the next number there, so the 2. 22 times 2, there will be the 44. So let's take it that one. Taking a 2 on the top and the 44 at the bottom there. 56 minus 44, what do we get there is about a 12. On the left hand side, the 22 plus 2 will be the 24. Now, when we drag it down, the next number down, there will be the number 1225. Now, we have to put the number in front of this 24, so we can divide this 1225. So 24 times at end with a 5, so we are taking it here the 5. Now 245 times the 5 will be there 1225. So we got the exact number. So yes, it is perfectly divisible without any remainder. Taking here the 5 on the top. We got the 125 on the top of it, so that will be the square root of. We got the 125 on the top, so that will be the answer for square root of 15,625. Erasing all. Let's see the question number 3. Find the square root of 1296. Now again, to find the answer for it, we will go through the prime factorization method. 1296 there. So about, let's divide by the 6. 2, 1, 6. Again, with the 6 there. Less than the 21 will be the 3. Again, 30. 3 times 3, 6. 36. Again, about 6 times 6, 36. We got the 1 at the bottom. So the 36. 6 times 6, we got the answer. That is about 36. That will be the Answer for the square root of 1296. Erasing all to see the next question. Find the square root of 176.252176. Now to find the square root of this question, let's see about checking with the divisible method. When we pair it together, what do we get from it? So that is 76, 21, 25, 76, and the 1 will be eliminated. Now about the 1 will be divisible by the 1 itself. So that's the reason we are taking a 1 times a 1 will be the 1 itself. 1 minus 1, there will be the 0. We can take it down the next number, that is 76. Now on the left hand side, we have to take it additions. 1 plus 1, there will be the 2. In front of it, we have to take the smaller number, which can be divisible by the multiplying itself to find the answer for the 76. Now, when we are dividing, we go through the exact number or the smaller than it. So about 20 times 23 times about 3 will be the 69. So there we got the answer by dividing it is the 7. And on the left hand side, there will be the 3. So the 23 plus 3 will be the 26 on the left hand side. Now drag the next two numbers down. That will be the 725. Now again, you have to assume a number by multiplying with the same number to get the multiply or to divide the 725. Either we have to find the same number or the smaller than it. Now there is the 5 at the end, which means that we have to find the smaller than that 5 number or get the same number. We can't get the same number because it is going to be 200 and something there. So if I take it to 5, so that will be the greater than. So about a less number, 2 times 2, we are taking. So that we will get the 2 times 2, 4, which will be the less than the 5 here. Now, but when we have multiplied the 262 times the 4, we got the answer that is 520. Take it down there, a 4, that is 262 times the 2 will be the 524. Doing a minus, we got the answer that is 19 now. About 1, 9, and 1. Take it down the next number, so that will be the 21. Now about 19,121, we have to divide with 200, 264 with the other assuming number. Now it ends with a 1, that is 19,121 ending with a 1. So the 1 in which timetable it comes. So there will be the 3 and the 7. The 3 will be the lesson number 7, the prime number that's supposed to be. So that's the reason we are taking it 2647 times the 7. So we can have the answer there. 9, 2, 5, 18. So we are taking it here. 7 times 7 will be there 18,529. So the answer we will get there will be by drag down the 76 will be 592. So now we have to divide this 592. Let's see on the left hand side, we have to add it together. 7 plus 7, 4. 4 plus 1, 5, 6, and the 2. Now we have to assume the next number, so we can divide this one 2, 6, 5, 4. Another number right here blank 59276. We have to assume the number so we can divide the 6 here. So we have the number that is about 2 times 2. So that will be the 53084. Subtracting it, we got there a 6192. But now we are ending here and taking on the top, that is going to be 13.272 there. So we got the answer, that is about 13.272.